Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 adorable and easy to make fall decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby items. So if you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a part of a spindle from a different project that I never used. I had a wood piece on hand and I glued the spindle to the wood piece using wood glue and I left it to dry for a few hours. When it dried, I painted the wood piece with the truffle chalk paint from Waverly, and I also painted the spindle with the white chalk paint from Waverly. I had a square wood dowel that I painted with the white chalk paint. I glued the dowel at the top of the spindle with wood glue.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
And I drilled a screw at the top to make sure it was sturdy. I have some white beads from the Dollar Tree. I stringed 7 white beads on 2 pieces of jute twine. I have a metal thankful pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree that I bought last year. I glued the string of beads to the pumpkin, one on each side.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
I tied the jute twine to the dowel so the pumpkin sign hung from it.
I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me.
I glued a white wood bead on top of the dowel. I decided after to paint the wood bead and the IOD mold that was originally on the spindle with the agave chalk paint from Waverly. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's spelled AGAVE. I really love how this thankful sign turned out. I didn't know where I was going with this DIY at first, and it kind of reminds me of a mailbox stand in some ways. I'll be placing this on my porch table for fall. For this DIY, I have 4 house boxes from the Dollar Tree. I painted them with the celery chalk paint from Waverly.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road.
I have some crafting paper from Hobby Lobby. I cut a piece for each house and glued the paper inside the house using a glue stick.
I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
I have some galvanized letters from Walmart. I glued the letter F in the first house and 2 L's in the 2 end houses.
Looking for the answers.
I painted a wood pumpkin from the Dollar Tree with black chalk paint from Waverly. I glued the houses together.
I met a young man. Searching.
I painted the tops and sides of the houses with black chalk paint.
I took out a notepad and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road.
I decorated the inside of the houses with mini straw bales and pumpkins from the Dollar Tree.
Reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
And to finish this adorable DIY, I glued the pumpkin in the second house.
Like it or not. Stop looking for the answers.
I painted lines on the pumpkin to stand out more and glued a lace bow on top of the pumpkin. The fall houses turned out so adorable. The colors blend well together and it has a sweet farmhouse style. Unfortunately, I won't be decorating this in my home this fall, but I will be loving its new home with a friend of mine. For this DIY, I have some wood rounds that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I placed them in the circle and placed another circle of wood rounds on top, in between two on the bottom, if that makes sense. I glued them in place to form a wood wreath. I glued lamb ears from Walmart on the bottom of the wreath with one on each side. I glued some fall flowers and embellishments on each side of the lamb ears. I cut some raffia pieces and tied them in the center together. I glued the raffia in the center and glued the cotton pods from the Dollar Tree on the raffia.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in?
I glued 3 white pumpkins from the Dollar Tree under the cotton pods.
We're all in vain. Who will pick you up?
And to finish this wood wreath, I made a simple bow with orange burlap fall ribbon from the Dollar Tree and a piece of raffia.
With a wedding ring. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile,
I glued the bow at the top of the wreath.
don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got
This is a different and unique wreath. I love the outdoor nature look, blended with a little touch of the farmhouse style. This wreath will hang on my back door for fall. I hope I've inspired you today with some ideas for your fall decor this year. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.